It's therapy time.
It's time to shut up and shoot.
Hi, here we go.
Straight Shooter Coffee, the official coffee of Therapy Range.
All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Therapy Range. Today, I've got a little piece of something special here for you. This is the Queen City Arms AR-15 pistol with a Fostech binary trigger in it. So it absolutely has the Go Fast trigger in it. You guys want to do this with me or not? Only if we do it together. Yeah, together. So we're going to go back to the lead sled and sling some stuff down here at a long range, medium range. Forgive me for my incorrectness. And see what kind of accuracy this short barrel has on it. Now, I want to say this is a 10-inch barrel, and it has a 1 in 7 twist. Yeah. All right. All right, so we're back here at about 30, 35 yards. Like I said, about medium distance. And let's see. Well, that's not conducive for a good shot. Yeah, semi, we don't want to go fast. What do you think about that, camera guy?
It's loud.
It's loud, and the concussion off of that short barrel is brutal. Let's send one more, and we'll go down and have a look at it. In the scope, it looks like a nice tight group. All right, let's clear that. All right, so this is a loaner gun. Obviously, this one isn't mine. One of the first things I'm going to say I don't like about it, I mean, there's a couple things that I don't like right off the rip. The concussion coming off of this thing is just unbelievable. It'll rattle your teeth. I mean, it's brutal. Being a left-handed shooter, there's a lot going on right there, and it'll absolutely rattle your teeth. Makes your eyes feel jittery. The second thing I don't care for of it is there's not enough rail up here to really get much of a hand grip, so you're feeling the fireball that you guys are seeing in the camera, seeing on the screen. I'm feeling that on my hand up here, so I can't say I'm really too fond of that. And this optic, it's a nice optic, but the eye relief on it is so short that it has to be set back so far that it's hard to get to the charging handle to clear the gun. So, all right, so we got a halfway decent little group there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots, you know, all right there. So, I mean, that's not too bad. You know, with a 10-inch barrel, what do you expect? So let's go back up here, reload this bad boy, and let's see how fast this trigger actually is. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is we're going to, I got my timer out, and I'm gonna hit the buzzer, and on the sound of the tone, I'm gonna fire 2 shots at the red target down there in semi-automatic, and see what the time is, and then we'll do the same thing with the fun switch turned on, and see what the time differences are. That's kind of the game plan. So, all right. Cameraman, you might want to step back unless you just want to get hit in the face with brass. All right, so we're in semi. .56. 0.56. Let's try that one more time in semi mode. .47. I'm gonna try that one more time in semi mode and see if we can get that just a hair quicker. .47. So we had 47 twice. Let's do it one more time, and then we'll go to the go happy button. Oh. Try that again. 0.58. One more time. One more time. That's fun. .49. All right, let's go to the go fast mode. Make sure we got some rounds in there. All right, we're on go fast now. .38. .39. .37. Let's do it one more time here. .39. So we're basically getting roughly about between 3.7 and 3.9 on the happy switch, and then .49 on the regular just double taps. So yeah, this trigger's obviously faster. I knew it was going to be faster, but I wanted to see exactly how much faster it actually is. God, that's fun. Oh, what do we got going on here? She's a hot one. Yeah, this charging handle thing, I don't like. All right, let's take out these 2 liters. Much better. That's therapy. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting for communists. Cameraman, did you have fun out here shooting this gun today?
I find this very therapeutic.
It is extremely therapeutic. I want everybody to make sure and check out Sure Shot Shooting Supplies for hooking us up with all of this badass ammo. You guys are so awesome. We couldn't do this without you. I want to say thank you to all the awesome subscribers that continue to keep watching the videos and sending out the love. You guys are so awesome. If you have time, check out Patriot Shit Outfitters. That's my company. That's how we fund all this shenanigans. Until next time, guys, live your life to the fullest, because anything less, complete and utter injustice to yourself and every single person around you. I've got this gun really hot. I can barely touch this bitch. But I still got 1 bullet left. Stay free, America. Until next time.